Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your beat louder. So, paraventure you have finished creating and mixing your beat. And the next challenges you have is to make it loud enough so that you can play them and have that heavy feel that you are looking for. So this video is going to review the secret on how to make your beat louder. So do it to press that subscribe button and like the video and comment the next video you want me to do on this channel so that I'll curate the question and I will make the video for you. So if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe and like the video so that whenever we upload any tutorial videos like this, you can get a notification and watch them. We also have a Telegram group where we post regular videos on how to make beat class. So the link is in the description below. So make sure you join that class now. And also if you're also new and want to learn how to make beats and how to start making beats from beginning to the end, we also have links in the description section that will show you how to make all different type of beats and also mix beats. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your beat louder. So we have already finished making our beat, and the first thing we're going to do is to import our beat. So you can also go to the import section of this and just go to import. When you go to import, you go to the right channel. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a shortcut whereby I'm going to drag and just drop this particular beat here. So let's watch. You can see the beat is already here. So let's preview the beat, right? So guys, this is the beat we just finished making. We've already mixed this beat. So the only thing that is remaining is make it loud enough for public consumption. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your mixer channel, go to your here in FL Studio and there. So you go to your master. You can see the root master here, master. So once you get to your master, you click. So the next thing you need to do is to go to your effect section. So in this effect section, you go here. So the first thing you're going to do is, since this beat is already properly mixed, the next thing you're going to check out for, so you're going to add an EQ to roll out some frequency. I'm just going to roll out some frequency. Just come here. I'll just come here, add 20 Hz. So what I actually do with this tool is to roll out from frequencies that we don't need, that make your sound muddy. But the secondly is to give it a stereo enhancement. I'll just come here, give it a stereo enhancement. Give it a little spreading. So now that I have added this, then the next thing I'm going to do, so stereo enhancements help you to actually space your instrument so that they can have a breathing space in your mix. So what I need, now that I have added a stereo enhancement, the next thing I'm going to do is to add what? A limiter. As you can see, if you check this particular sound, it's already well compressed. It's already well compressed. So I like the way it is being compressed. So we're not going to use compression in this particular audio. So I'm just going to straight to add what? A limiter. So what a limiter does is to help you increase the total frequency of what you have already, the sound that you've already properly mixed. So I'm going to add what a limiter. Just go to your limiter here. So drag this one down to give it a breathing space. So this particular tool is of two tools. You just come here. We have compressor. But we're not going to use compressor in this particular video because I like the way this particular sound is already compressed. So if we're going to add extra compressor, we're going to crush the sound and the juice in the sound will not be there. So we just add a limiter. So if you check our space, our meter is hitting 6 dB already. So we're going to take it to 0 dB. So 0 dB is the highest loudness you're going to have in your audio for public distribution. So what we have here right now is 0 dB. So I'm going to go to the gain. Look at, I'm going here. I'm going to increase what? Gain. As you can see, it's already hitting 0 dB here. can see, our sound is popping. So I'm going to do before and after for you to see how loud it is. Before, after. So guys, I'm going to recap the whole section, so make sure you watch this video over and over again. You don't forget the process. If you have a beat you already finished mixing like this and you want to make it louder, so remember, the first thing I did was to bring in my audio, to import my audio in here. So the second thing I did was to go to my mixer channel. Then after I got to my mixer channel, I went to my master. So now I'm in my master. Then I went to the effects section. The first thing I did was to add an EQ. So when I added an EQ, what did I do with the EQ was to remove unwanted frequency that may hinder your sound to sound great. So the second was to give it stereo enhancer. So what I said about stereo enhancement is to give your sound spaces so that to enable your instruments shine within their own different spaces. And lastly, and I added a limiter. So a limiter is a tool that can help you to increase the overall of your mixes. As you can see, I went to this gain button. I simply pull it up and it increases. So I'm going to try it again in your presence. Here, this is the gain button. So to increase overall of all your mixes, you just come here, put it on the very word high gain. So if you check here now, you can see it begins to hit 0 dB. And if you check here, you see it is 0 dB. So guys, do it to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment the next video you want me to do for you. If you have any question in mind, put the question on the comment section, then I'm going to make a video and I will post it on this channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button so that whenever I upload new videos, you're going to get notification on your phone. So guys, this is pretty much on how to make your beat louder and your mix louder. And so make sure you repeat this video over again. Follow the same process that I did so that you get the same result that I just did on these videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, so that you get a notification. And don't forget that we have a free Telegram channel in the description below where we post regular videos on tips and tricks on music production. So do it to join that class now. All right guys, so see you in the next video.